What is going on, guys? So today's finally the day. It's delivery day. We have the iPhone 15 Pro Max. It just delivered. I'm just gonna go straight into the whole unboxing right here. Excited because this is my first flagship. How you open this? First flagship iPhone. So here we go. This is it. This is the blue titanium. I'm not even gonna talk. Let's just open this. Wow, so here it is. It shipped out September 16th from China, straight from China. I'm gonna get some more lighting right now. So I'm gonna go straight into putting a tempered screen protector on this first. I'm gonna slap this on like that, top. There you have it. There's a big bubble right in the middle. Hopefully it goes away. Yep, it did. No problems whatsoever. That's that.